Hey and welcome again to this new video of Mastering Git and GitHub. So in this new video we will learn how to create the issue. So first let's click on issue here. Let's click on new issue and here let's give it a title. For example, let's name it just add new readme file and here some description. For example, we need a new readme file. Let's it support markdown, so if we do for example this readme between those two, it will be appear big. See here, it's appearing big in preview. So for example, I need to give this issue of adding a new file to another developer or another colleague of mine, just for example. Here are the labels, so we need to add, not we need, but it's good to add a label to our issue. For example, just make an enhancement, or an enhancement just mean we want project to involve. Here the milestone, if we want to associate it with a milestone. For the moment we have this version 1 that's still open, we click on it, and here if we have for example a lot of projects in our repository and we need to for example to associate this issue with one of the projects or the repository. And here assignment, if we have for example a lot of contributors or a lot of person who work in the same repository, and we need for example to associate this issue with one specific person, so we go here and we type his name and then we associate it with next. So that's it, I think, here, and we click on submit new issue. And here as we see that this issue is created and it's still open and it needs some enhancement. So this is label and this is the milestone. If we click on it, we go back and see the details of this milestone, and here we found like the label, it's just enhancement. So this is all for if you want to create a new label. Now we will see how to close this label. So this is all for now.